What's good, everybody? We're here down at the fucking Perth Motorplex. It's completely filled up. Not really, actually. But shit's already getting started all the way down. See the burnout starts. Got a bunch of Volkswagens, as it is a Volkswagen versus Mini night, as well as race bikes. Here we have our little lineup. Friend Vito's car, my car, Bri, Seb, and then an S15. But it is mostly Euros tonight. Anybody can come. Only Volkswagen versus Mini. So if you have a Volkswagen or you have a Mini, it'll be reduced to half price. So there's $30 for entry to drag as well. This should be sick and we should be ready to go. What? What? This guy, he's too keen to race, I swear. See the burnouts and everything inside of there.
Let's go, Sadiq.
Okay, alright, let's go. Time to race. This guy is, he's way too keen, I swear to God. Let's go. Hold on, I need to put on long. Wait, I'll just put on my jacket, it's all good. Alright, so here at the staging bit, it's number 6 next to us. We're down there. We're on lane number 7. Whew, this is nerve-wracking as shit. You can hear the guys go crazy up inside there. Shit. Oh, you can hear them in the background, they're going off. That's some mental shit going on right there. Got my helmet right here ready to put on, got the armband that's given. Friend behind me. Oh shit. This is gonna be fucking intense. You should see some of the cars that are here. Absolutely crazy. An LSA. Fuck. There's cunts that are like on the E85 crazy ways, literally. Oh shit. Hope I'm fucking ready for this. Lane 6 is going. Fucking R36. There's 2 R36s, I think. Holy shit. Oh no, that's not an R36. It's just a Passat. There goes Bri. There's Seb. Mark 4. Oh shit. You can hear them revving up. I haven't got the mic plugged in. So I'm gonna need to pack this up quickly when I do pull the line. But man, are they going crazy. Oh, fuck. An Audi S4. This guy, we're on the highway with him. He was on the right side. He gave us a little cocky look. Ah! Dumb! Nice fighter pilot helmet.
Thanks. I don't have a name yet.
Yep. Holy shit, you guys probably can't hear me right now, but we just did the run. Woo! Boys, that was fucking crazy. Holy shit, those lights went real quick. I did not expect it to go that quick. And I missed 3rd gear. You wouldn't go in for the first one and I had to hit it back in. But holy fuck, that was crazy. Holy shit. Oh god. Fuck, I'm sweating. Let's see if we could possibly get some. They're going. These are bikes. Fuck. Holy fuck, that was crazy. Alright, I'll meet you guys at the end there. So now we're just letting our engines cool down a little bit. We just did 2 runs. I know I can get better on that one. This one kept going into limp mode. Yeah, I'd be annoyed as well.
No, it's gonna be good.
Oh well, it's got some goes to go left. It is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Let's check. Let me check the condition of my tires. Yeah, I messed up the start so bad. Yeah, feel a little bit of tread disappearing compared to the rears. About the same, not much lost. Fuck. Some of the bikes that go on there are mental. Oh, who's that? Ah. What's going on, man?
Oh yeah.
Good. Letting our engines cool down after 2 runs.
You've already done 2 runs?
Yeah. Vito kept having a problem. His car went into limp mode every time I launch.
Whoa.
Which wasn't good at all.
What's up? Oh yeah. Good. Everyone, this is the missus, by the way.
Hello, hi Mrs.
Hello, Mrs. Driver. Yeah, that one too.
Hey, tomorrow you get your license.
Yeah, finally. Finally.
First run again, I went up against the Vito, but his car kept going limp mode, so then that was fine. The second run, I went up against a Pirelli, a 3-door Pirelli.
And you won?
No, I fucking lost. There's a Pirelli. That thing has a KO4 in it.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I was talking to him before the thing, when we were waiting in line down over there. And yeah, his was auto as well.
Oh, okay, so
Yeah. Although his start was like a 1.6 second delay. Well, he's an old guy. He's like, let's see how good my reaction times are. And mine was like a 1.34 start. But then this was on the second run, and then I just kept fucking up. Like my revs were too low. And so the car like jolted a couple times till it went. If I had my revs up high, man, my shifting was spot on. Oh, if I didn't mess up.
3,000.
Yeah, I was doing like a 2.5. That was like almost nothing. Last time I had it up to like 3.5, 4. A little bit of skid at the start, but then grip straight away in first get, and then it went off.
Once it gets colder as well.
Colder, denser air, better turbo, 20 psi. But like, man, when you're on the line, it is one of the most like exhilarating things.
Yeah, it would be.
Adrenaline is just like pumping constantly inside of you.
Eugene ended up giving us his car.
Yeah.
And that's stage 2 plus, like what was tuned.
Yeah.
And we were saying like the only thing that feels quicker about it is just like that official.
I don't know if you can see it. Bike burnouts, man. The bikes are they go ham. You hear them go off like, they take off. I managed to get a recording of them go by, and I'm like, holy shit.
But yeah, like it's quick.
You did really well. Still got wood grain dashboard, grain steering wheel, very nicely upholstered inside. Now, what year is this video? This is a 1976. What makes the 76 particularly special against the rest of the years? Nice. Very, very cool indeed. An absolute pleasure and a privilege to have quarter windows down here in all classic form. Big Cubes, 1300.
1200 horsepower. Oh, fuck. Fucking shit. What did it run? 8.5. Oh, mate. Got a 10.3. Okay, so that was a night, pretty fucking amazing night, not gonna lie. We did run into some issues. Unfortunately, I have to record while I'm back at home because I was gonna do an outro down at when we were leaving, but you know, they decided to play some music and shit like that. So props to that. Anyway, my friend's car, which I was meant to go up against, which was the whole competition and everything about, his car unfortunately, intercooler piping popped out when we were installing the two intercooler setup. So what we did is there's this metal clip that just goes over the coupler that connects into the intercooler, sorry, and that bit just popped straight out because the way that the coupler is manufactured, the little fin the clip is meant to go past so it doesn't push back through and come out, was too small, and then it slips underneath the metal pin and then it just popped out. I have the same setup on mine. I ran into the same issue. I was like, let me drive your car. I'll know exactly what it is, if it's what I think it is. Drove his car, knew exactly what it was, saw the pipe out of it. We tried to fix it there on the spot, but it just wouldn't. That's what we came to the conclusion to. We would plug it all in and everything like that. It would just pop straight back out, and we're like, fuck. So that was all messed up. But other than that, it was a pretty sick night. I definitely would be going again. Might even go to the next week's one, which is Honda against Nissan, and man, whew, that's gonna be pretty sick. Until next time though, peace.
Until you find your way back home.